Coconut milk is a creamy, delicious drink made from fresh coconuts. It's a favorite ingredient in many recipes, from soups to desserts. Now, one of the best coconut milk brands, is the Thai Kitchen. Their coconut milk is thick and rich, perfect for making curries and adding to smoothies. Another great choice is Aroy-D. I'll put it all in the description. This brand is known for high quality coconut milk with a nice smooth texture. People love using it because cooking with it adds a wonderful coconut flavor. For those who prefer organic products, Native Forest offers organic coconut milk. This means it's made without harmful chemicals for better for the environment. Native Forest coconut milk is great for making dairy-free ice cream and creamy soups. You can find these brands in grocery stores and in health food shops. Coconut milk is not only tasty, but it's also dairy-free, making a good option for people who are lactose intolerant. Whether you're using it in a recipe or enjoying it on its own, coconut milk adds a tropical twist to any meal. So your next time that you're cooking, consider trying one of these delicious coconut milk brands. It's all in the description. Go check it out again.